of course, when you lose a wicket in the first over, and very important how well they managed to play the second over of the power play. As Zubair right arm over the wicket, bounce Amir going for the big shot, not quite getting hold of that one properly. And again, look at that one cheer from the fans of young friends who are each and every dot ball. But NM cricketers Mangalore also knows that this is a very important match. They have to bounce back in the second over as they got only 6 runs. As Zubair right arm over the wicket. This Amir again, lovely delivery. This time Mansoor little bit fumble, but not really able to recover very quickly in the relegation. That's what we're talking about. The pressure, Gopi, is not an easy game, especially when you're playing against young friends. When having an experienced campaigner like Zubair, you know exactly the kind of batsman in front of Amir. Amir, of course, maybe there is a new face in the NM cricketers Mangalore, but by watching his first stroke, he's technically very sound player. Wait and see. As Zubair right arm over the wicket to Amir. Amir once again not quite able to handle the pressure again. Bowler's back drive. 3 fantastic delivery there from Zubair. He's a fighter. He's knowing for the fighter because he's the one. He's been a long time, more than 20 to 25 years of experience in underarm cricket and representing young friends for a long time. Now he's bowling a very good second over. 3 deliveries and 3 all deliveries. We can see that the dotted delivery. Now pressure is mounting up for the batsman Amir. Zubair right arm over the wicket to Amir. Amir this time seeing the line of the delivery. Zubair this time little bit experiment from Zubair that he wanted to ball a little bit outside the off and down from the bat. He just wanted to get away from the bat of the batsman so that he balled far outside the off stamp. 7 on the board. This time lofted Amir just over the infield. Ajmal going back. Oh, what a catch! Fantastic catch taken there by Ajmal. He knows that. He knows that he got a big wicket here, and just look at the reaction there from Ajmal, because a very good catch, Gopi. It's always very difficult when you're running back and taking the catch. It's been only the good fielder can take the catch, and young friend Surwa has got Ajmal, one of the outstanding fielder, and great catch to dismiss Amir.
बिल्कुल सतीश, पीछे की ओर दौड़ते हुए कैच लपकना उतना आसान नहीं होता है, जिसके बारे में हम पहले भी कई बार जिक्र कर चुके हैं पिछले श्रृंखलाओं में। और यहाँ पर अजमल ने गेंद के पीछे दौड़ते हुए, पीछे की ओर दौड़ते हुए गेंद पर अपनी नजरें गड़ाए रखी और एक बेहतरीन जजमेंट के साथ इस कैच को लपका। देखिए किस तरीके से यहाँ पर हुआ था, स्क्वायर ऑफ द विकेट गेंद को उछाला था और आखिरी मौके पर पीछे की ओर दौड़ते हुए गेंद पर अपनी नजरें गड़ाए रखते हुए देखिए, हालांकि कुछ हद तक फिसल जरूर गए थे, लेकिन कैच को उन्होंने अपने हाथों से छूटने नहीं दिया। और अजमल जैसे फील्डर इस कैच का पीछा कर, इस गेंद का पीछा कर रहे हैं तो वहां पर कैच छोड़ने का सवाल ही नहीं पैदा होता है, क्योंकि अजमल एक बेहतरीन फील्डर में से जाने जाते हैं। और इस बेहतरीन कैच की बदौलत ये विकेट यहां पर गिर चुका है और तीसरा विकेट गिरने के बाद अब नाजुक सी स्थिति यहां पर एनएम बैंगलोर के ऊपर। और पहले 2 ओवर में दूसरा ओवर जारी है और मैं कहूंगा सतीश, अब तक यंग फ्रेंड्स उरुआ के गेंदबाजों ने अपने काबिलियत, क्षमता, एबिलिटी के अनुसार गेंदबाजी की है।
Exactly, Gopi, no doubt at all. Actually, this is the second over of the innings of NM cricketers Mangalore is definitely going to be a little bit disaster as an next. Oh, ball him! Clean him up! This is the one, the golden wicket here for Zubair. The danger man Atif departs and the celebration begins here for young friend Surwa. This is the one more delivery, Gopi. The pitch up, look at that one. I want to see the replay. How much that ball is nipped back. Oh, that was a jagging back. That was a jagging back into the batsman. The batsman not really expecting that much of turn from Zubair, but this is a speciality of Zubair, Gopi. Whenever he's bowling the slower one, batsman have to think that that ball will going to take a lot of turn, and just the batsman left the gap between bat and a big wicket, isn't it? The wicket of Atif is always going to be a big wicket for any opposition.
बिल्कुल धीमी ऑफ कटर गेंद फेंकी थी अजमल ने। देखिए किस तरीके से उन्होंने गेंद को फेंका था रन अप के जरिए। ये गेंद देखिए किस तरीके से गेंद आई अंदर की ओर, थोड़ी सी नीचे होती हुई, डिविएट होती हुई अंदर की ओर आई। परफेक्ट स्लोअर ऑफ कटर गेंद और इस धीमेपन को समझ नहीं पाया और इस टर्न को भी आतिफ समझ नहीं पाया और गेंद उनके बल्ले के निचले हिस्से से होकर सीधे जा टकराए सीधे मिडल ऑफ स्टंप पर और आखिरकार ये विकेट यहाँ पर गिर चुका है। और आतिफ का विकेट का पतन सर्टेनली एनएम की परेशानी, एनएम क्रिकेटर्स की परेशानियों को और काफी हद तक बढ़ा चुका है सतीश।
Now it's a time for the hat-trick, Gopi. Zubair is bowling hat-trick delivery. Wait and see as Zubair right arm over the wicket to Ayaz. Oh, this has been outstanding, I will tell you. Look at the Mansoor. This is one of the fastest wicket keeping, I will tell you. Just in a blink of eyes, you can see that. I want to see it in the replay, Gopi. This is a fantastic wicket keeping. Look at that one. Absolutely. Oh my goodness, in a fraction of a second. He's kept the ball in the right hand, and how immediately he transferred the ball to his left hand to make that stump out, but even he didn't got a result for that. But outstanding wicket keeping, isn't it? Absolutely magnificent. So what a great over, Gopi. The second over, that was a good thinking as a point of view of young friends who is concerned, Gopi. Keeping Zubair for the second over of the power play, asking Sharan to bowl the power play is really working out, isn't it?
बिल्कुल जो जिस तरीके की रणनीति के साथ वो गेंदबाजी पर उतरे थे उनके कप्तान, और पहला ओवर शरण को दिया था, उसके बाद जुबेर को दूसरा ओवर दिया, और इन दो ओवर में भी गेंदबाजों ने अपनी क्षमता के अनुसार बेहतरीन गेंदबाजी की।